Welcome to DJ TV.
Make una come here wetin Simon Ekpa talk concerning the 2-week sit-at-home wey don impose again for southeast o.
Correct people, we greet una. Welcome una to DJ TV, una WhatsApp channel wey dey sama una with ogbonge updates, breaking news, updated updates. So abeg my people, if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una rush now, make una go subscribe o, and also turn on that notification bell so that anytime we be like say we drop any update like this, una go dey notified gbanga. Our Facebook page, my people, make una follow us and make una dey like. Una do well. Anyway, my people, make we quickly run enter the tori and updates we will carry come for una like this.
Yes, so my people, no be small thing though. This gbege for southeast, no be as reason am o. Right now, don declare another 2-week sit-at-home for southeast again. My people, no be small thing. This one, e get as e be o. Be like say dem wan turn southeast to war zone o, and military sef don deploy men go southeast like this now, make dem go make sure say that 2-week sit-at-home wey dem don impose so make e no hold. But that one no stop there. Right now, Simon Ekpa now don come outside now, come talk say this 2-week sit-at-home wey he declare to say he must hold, nothing dey stop am. Say he go provide palliative for families wey be say dem no get. He go provide palliative. Anyway, my people, I no wan talk too much. I go play una this video now, make una lis ten to wetin Simon Ekpa talk concerning this 2 weeks sit-at-home so dem don impose again wey dey start end of this month. Make una watch this video and hear wetin Simon Ekpa talk.
Declaration of Biafra is coming, and let me tell you, what you see us doing today is just testing microphone. In the next 2 weeks, in the next 2 weeks sit-at-home, if you do not come outside, Nigeria government will not see you. If you do not come outside, Nigeria government will not see you to kill. And we are working on palliative, possible palliative. You know, we are working on possible, like I said, pay attention to what I said. I said we are working on possible palliative. The palliative is going to be something that everybody must participate. And we are looking at $10 per one family. At least $10 per family. So the finance team of the Biafra Republic government in exile, please take note of this. We are going to work out a plan for palliative for Biafra people. It may not serve everybody, but look, it is something. The palliative is going to be $10 per family, and this particular $10 per family is what we are going to do. So if you are part of us, all the people, all Biafrans all over the world, I want you to understand that this is the time that we are going to exam. We are in exam now. I want to know how far you have learned, how far you have followed the teaching, how far you are tough. Your mental toughness is coming now. So the idea is that every person has to be part of giving palliative to Biafra family, especially those less privileged families that needed support. So we are going to make it possible that you can choose how many families you want to feed during this palliative, during this sit-at-home. You can choose family. You can choose 20 family. If you choose 10 family, that is $100. If you choose 20 family, that is $200. If you choose 50 family, that's $500. So we are going to have a different fundraising for this particular sit-at-home palliative. And so we are going to have it from all districts, especially those in the rural area, in Biafra territory. So we are going to make sure that each family receives $10. This $10 is not enough, but believe me, many of you don't even have $10 in 2 weeks. But $10 is about maybe 8,000 or something like that. So we are expecting that we are going to at least every person will volunteer to feed one family. So one family is $10. It is not too much. We're going to do it. So, and those of our de facto government in the homeland, please take note of this. We need to bring out a strategic plan how we are going to give $10 to each family that is in need during this period. We may not cover entire Biafra land. It is impossible because that particular structure is not there. If we have the structure done already, which we are doing already, you don't even need to, before we know it, money will just enter your account. $10 will just enter your account, you know, each family. But now, because we are still working on the structure and the database system, it is going to be a little bit challenging, but we're going to do something. So we are trying to work on that. And like I said, the finance team, please take note of this. Very, very important. Dr. Joy Irobi, at least 10 families per Biafra diaspora. Yes, that's a very good suggestion. Dr. Joy Irobi is suggesting at least 10 family per Biafra diaspora. That's a very interesting one. Please, and the finance team, we need to activate this particular team ahead of time, very early, so we don't get caught up with the time and the schedule and planning. Please, very important.
Yes, so my people, not be small thing though. And the update will carry come from like this video. So one reason I say, one see this issue so their boss artist. Anyway, make una drop una comment oh, and make una don't forget to like and share. Una do well. See you in our next video.
DJ